Hello, and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Personal Finance Today, we are covering the topic how to build a personal finance plan. If this sounds interesting you, or you want to learn more about personal finance, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. One last thing, if you stay to the end of this video, I will share one special tip that I believe you will find very helpful in building your personal finance plan. Let's take a deep dive on how to build a personal finance plan. It can be difficult to strike a balance between short-term desires, long-term goals, and uncontrollable circumstances when it comes to money and plans. It can be difficult to balance bills while planning for the future. From the groceries you need to the retirement you desire to the car repair bill that looms. In this video we will walk you through all you need to know to make a personal financial plan and get your finances in line. After watching this video you will have a good platform to build on for the rest of your life. Step number 1: set financial objectives. It's usually a good idea to know why you're saving your hard-earned cash. Take some time to consider your options. Step number 2: make a financial plan. Consider this your monthly cash flow as well as your savings and investment strategy. Allow yourself to choose where and how you send your money. Step number 3: make tax preparations. It has the potential to help you keep more of your money next year. Sitting down with a tax professional to discuss potential income tax credits and deductions is always a smart idea. Step number 4: invest in an emergency fund. If life throws you a curveball and you're not financially prepared, no amount of planning will help. An emergency money comes in handy in this situation. Always think about the consequences of spending money before you take it out of your savings. Step number 5: organize your debt. Understanding and managing debt is a critical component of developing a financial strategy. There are numerous websites and apps that can assist you in keeping track of your finances and finding the appropriate balance. Step number 6: invest in insurance to safeguard yourself. Life has the ability to alter in an instant. People that have a sound financial plan hope for the best, but they also prepare for the worst. This is something that insurance can help with. Having both disability and life insurance protects your family and is a wise investment. Step number 7: make a retirement plan. Consider what you want your money to do for you when you retire, even if it's a long way off, and build a strategy to make it happen when the time comes for retirement. Step number 8: invest in something other than your 401k. Take your savings strategy and give it a boost to help you meet your mid and long-term objectives. That is what investing is capable of. Step number 9: make a will or a trust. You don't have to be affluent, elderly, married, or a parent to benefit from an estate planning, which also specifies who will make financial and healthcare decisions for you if you are unable to do so. Finished? When is the time to reassess your financial strategy? At least once a year, or after a significant life change, take a fresh look. Some examples of significant changes could come in the form of income change, job changes, changes in family dynamics such as having a kid or adopting, getting married, divorced, or losing a spouse/partner, selling or purchasing a property, inheritance, unexpected debt, or a change in financial goals are all instances of these. Well, thank you for sticking around till the end of this video, and as promised I will now share my special tip. At the age of 50, you should consider adding long-term care insurance your plan and expanding it to cover additional income in retirement. Many people find their golden years to be a very difficult time in their lives. With a little simple planning, you can avoid many of these potholes in life. Well, thank you for watching today, and if you like this video, and you would like to learn more about personal finance, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Until the next episode of Personal Finance Today, stay safe out there.